So you're here because you want to change your college in second year. But obvious reasons honge that you don't like your faculty, disgusting management, the crowd is little not vibing with you, they are too cheap, or they are too over smart. There are a lot of reasons that you want to change your college, right? And yes guys, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can change your college, like switch your college in second year. Hi or guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. Today is Saturday, and yes, this is a Q&A vlog. So a lot of you ask me, ma'am, can I switch my college in second year? Or I want to, change my college in second year. How can I do it? So guys, the first thing you need is that you have to be all clear. Make sure that you don't have any KT. Agar 80 KT hai, so boss, there is hardly any chance that you will be able to switch, because the college will not give you the living certificate and you are at fault. So bhul jao. Agar all clear hai, then you can easily do that. If you're all clear also, there will be colleges who will hold your originals back. So uske liye you will have to have a good relation with the management. Make sure that you have good relation with your HOD and teachers, which will help you. Give them a valid reason that either you're shifting, or you want to switch the whole BMM or BMS or whatever. So give them a valid reason so that they think that you're not joining any other college, or you think ill about this particular college. You have to play very smart, because if you are a brilliant student, the college will not let you go easily. If you are a dabba student, obviously they will have all the reason to hold you back, because if you change the college, they will lose out on 2 years, next 2 years ka fees, right? So think about economically, the college will not want you to go. So you have to make sure that you play smart. So now two things, as I mentioned clearly, you have to be all clear and have to have a good relationship with the teachers and the management, so that it is easier for you to get your originals and smoothly aap ye switch kar lo. Okay. Now, second question comes is how you will apply to any particular college. So for example, you are currently in a XYZ college and you want to apply to ABC college. So what you have to do is, first thing, make sure that check their website, how to apply for second year. Majorly ye information nahi hota hai. So what you have to do it, call up the particular department for whichever department you want to switch, whether it's your BMM, BMS, your any arts, commerce, जो भी switch आप ले रहे हो, make sure that you call that particular department in the college. आपको department का number मिल जाएगा, and then ask them, ma'am or sir, I want to switch. Okay, is there seat available? अब seat available कैसे होती है? Supposedly, जैसे आपने change किया है, there are other students who might switch from that ABC college to other random college. So that seat is vacant. Depends, अगर चेंज किया है. सेकेंडली ड्रॉप आउट्स, ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट ईयर में कम से कम 2-3 ड्रॉप आउट हर कॉलेज में होते हैं. Some reason they leave the college, or they are not punctual, or some or the other thing goes wrong. So whatever the number of seats are vacant in the college, they will fill it. So definitely you stand a chance to get into any college you want to if they have a seat. And how you will get to know about the seat? That you have to go to that particular college ka website and get it. Because of corona, definitely they will not allow the walk-in, because what generally used to happen is that you walk into the college department, meet the concerned person and fill in the forms then and there. But now, as everything is happening online, then you have to call up and ask whether you can go in or no. So that is how you switch your college. Our third question is that whether there will be an entrance exam or interview. Yes. So colleges like KC, Jai Hind, they do that. So particularly I'll talk about KC. Even for the second year admission, they will call you for personal interview and a basic written test. Even Xavier's does that. So these colleges will definitely have a basic entrance writing test and a personal interview for second year also. Not all the colleges, there are specific colleges will do that, but rest of the college might just give you the admission depending on how good is your score. Supposedly 10 people applied and you are 80 and others are in 60s. So definitely you will be given the first preference for sure. I hope guys that you are clear with your doubt whether you can switch your college. You can definitely switch your college. Second year में, third year में भी आप switch कर सकते हो. So try your luck. If you want to go in your dream college, थर्ड ईयर में भी ट्राई करो, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, यू नेवर नो, बिकॉज लास्ट जो भी डिग्री आएगा वो फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज आएगा. सो इफ यू वांट टू स्विच इन थर्ड ईयर ऑल्सो, प्लीज डू दैट. आई वुड से डोंट गिव अप. इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई, please go ahead and try, and it is very much possible. Just make sure that you tap on that few colleges. Agar make a list of 5 colleges, that these 5 colleges are my top priority. फर्स्ट ईयर में नहीं हुआ, सेकेंड ईयर में ट्राई करो, सेकेंड ईयर में नहीं होगा, थर्ड ईयर में ट्राई करो. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू ट्राई इट आउट, इट विल बी पॉसिबल. ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक गाइज, होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प्स, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.